5S Good Housekeeping. 5S Housekeeping is a management tool that helps create a clean, organized, and tidy workplace. The 5S method is a powerful tool in housekeeping management, offering a structured approach to organization, cleanliness, and productivity. Maintaining efficiency and high standards of cleanliness is essential for operational success and satisfaction. This 5S audit form contains the 5S steps, which are sort or SARI, include only the required equipment. Sort means eliminating anything that is unnecessary for the equipment to work properly. Set in order or SATON. Equipment is labeled so it's easy to identify. Straightening is the best way of eliminating pointless searching and having all the material necessary for functional production according to the principle. A place for everything and everything in its place. Shine or say so. Work areas are kept clean and free from obstructions. Shining means keeping everything so clean that it shines. In a clean environment, any leak or other abnormality can be detected faster. Working in a clean environment improves motivation and safety. Standardize or seiketsu. Everything is stored neatly and consistently. Standardizing means respecting the previous 3S. The 3S are actions to take so that cleanliness and elimination of the causes of untidiness become the norm. It is essential to write them down as ordinary rules as standards. Sustain or shitsuke. Internal audits have been recently conducted and improvements made. The time has come to evaluate the situation by means of an in-depth audit. The audit is based on a very precise questionnaire which assesses the previous 4S and which leads, if successful, to the site being certified. Implementation of 5S approach in your company. It will serve as an objective measurement tool from the initial situation to a 5S. It will be a valuable tool in your continuous improvement process.